love these things. They're great. So we're detailing we're not really detailing, we're just washing the outside of a camper, and it started to rain on us. Thought we had enough time getting wet, but it is helping with the rinse process, so we don't have to dry it, obviously. But when you guys charge to clean something like this, it's only the outside. We're scrubbing. I got up on top, cleaned on top, and scrubbed that real good. Like I said, we're really not having to rinse much because the rain's gonna get the rest of it, and it's giving rain the rest of the day. But we charged $100 to scrub the outside of this thing. We're on about an hour and a half right now. Hour and 20 minutes, so not too bad. It's turned out pretty good. NXTGEN Graphics. See you.